with you how I do make my DIY aloe vera gel. The gel is inside of this aloe vera gel hair scrub. So let's dive right into the video. So over here, I am just soaking this aloe vera leaf, mainly trying to get out that yellow slime because it's really important to remove the yellow slime out of the aloe vera leaf before getting out your gel. And if you want to know how I do remove my aloe vera gel from the leaf, click the upper link and you're going to see how I remove the yellow slime and how I prepare my aloe vera gel from scratch. This is the fresh aloe vera gel that I'm going to be making this hair scrub with. And guys, so I'm going to blend the aloe vera gel a little bit, and after that I will go in with my next product. So this part is optional. I'm going to add a little bit of this super green. Then I'm also going to add in a bit of the xanthan just to make this DIY a bit thicker, because when you blend the aloe vera gel too much, sometimes it turns into water, and I want this particular DIY to be on the hair scrub side. Blend it for the second time so the product can mix through. Mainly it's the scalp and body scrub. I'm just saying hair scrub because this channel is everything hair care. And one more important part about this hair scrub, just make sure you use the same amount of sugar with the sea salt. Don't add too much sea salt. And after that, this is how it look like. As you can see, it's already coming together. Screen it because we don't want no clumps or lumps in our DIY aloe vera gel hair scrub. We want the product to come out smoothly. And guys, after that, I'm going to add in some sugar. I'm going to add in some essence salt. All the measurement is going to be in the description of this video. Then I'm going to add in some dark honey. Bit again before going in with my Rosemary mint oil. I know some of you guys who've been watching my DIY natural hair journey on this channel been wondering why I am so obsessed with aloe vera gel. It's like the super ingredients that has multiple purpose. It's really amazing for 4C hair. It makes the hair manageable. For those of you who have 4C dry natural hair and the comb cannot go through and you haven't yet tried aloe vera gel, guys, from the instant moment or day you decide to use aloe vera gel, you ain't gonna regret it. I'm talking about the fresh one. You're gonna get all that benefit from using fresh aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel, it make the scalp clean. Aloe vera gel will promote healthy hair growth. Aloe vera gel make the hair manageable, and aloe vera gel keep your hair shiny. Aloe vera gel is really good for the skin and the scalp. Alright guys, so this is how my DIY scalp and body scrub look like. Isn't it gorgeous? I'm just going to put it into the applicator bottle. So I am going to spray a little bit of water on my hair and scalp before going in with this scalp and body scrub, guys. And one more thing about this DIY, I would not recommend that you apply on a natty or tangle hair. Most time I like to put my hair in 2-strand twists and also make sure that it's not tangled. Then I apply this product on my scalp. If your scalp is too dry, the product will mess up your roots. I will recommend you spray a little bit of water before going in with the scalp scrub. Alright, in the first clip of this video, I did apply a little bit of this product, and in the second clip, I'm going to apply more of this DIY scalp and body scrub gently. And when I'm finished with that, I'm going to use my grocery bag. You can use a shower cap. I'm going to tie it on my head and leave it on my hair for like 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'm going to hop in the shower and rinse out my hair with room temperature water. Rinse out my hair well. Then I'm going to come back here and show you how my scalp look like. Meaning I like to use this particular product sometimes 3 times a year and sometimes 2 times a year. So in my previous video, I did said I was going to share with you guys 5 most powerful deep conditioner next on this channel. But for some reason, when I was recording that video, part of it recorded and part of it didn't. So when I start editing it, I got stuck certain place. That's why I still haven't upload that video yet, and I'm gonna have to refilm that video. Yes, so bear with me. I will definitely upload it on this channel. And guys, I already do has DIY deep conditioner video on this channel. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. Check it out if you are interested in trying DIY's deep conditioner treatment. And this is my hair after 20 minutes. I'm just rinsing it out with room temperature water and just making sure that my hair is well rinsed there. And after that, I will go in with my herbal tea rinse. Then later on, I will go in with my leave-in conditioner. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.